We have seen how to extract query parameters and query strings or route parameters in the previous episodes. In this episode, we are going to see how to receive the data in the body, in the request body. So whenever you make a post call or put call, you can send the data in the body itself so that you can receive the data and you can do something with the data. For example, whenever you make a post call, you can receive the data in the request body and you can save the data in the database. And whenever you want to update any resource you can send the data, that particular data in the put call. So in this episode we are going to see how to receive the data in the express.js, since we are building node.js REST API here. So this is how the body looks like. So it's a JSON structure. So whenever you want to send data through post or put call, this is how you send. This is how the body looks like. So this is how you read the data with request.body. So whatever you send the body, it is available on the request object. This is how you read in the Node.js, and also you need to use a middleware called body parser.json as well for this data to be available on the request object. So this is the code example where we are actually doing a put call here, and we are passing route parameter and also a body. So the route parameter is read by request_params.id and the body is read by request.body. So let's make this call. Once you make the call, you can see the console log statements. So right now we are not seeing somehow. Let's verify whether we are making the right call or not. Okay, so we are using detail. Let's change that to task. Let's make the call now, and you can see console log statements. You can actually see request.body. So all the data that you send, it is available on the request.body. For example, if you send the data, and also if you look at the routes folder, to this routes folder, and go to index.js, and you see we are using middleware here, body parser.json. So by using this middleware, all the data is available on the request.body. So that is how you read the data. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.